You finally got your Starlink up and running, and now you need to figure out how you can manage the cables going into the house from the roof. In this video, I'll be able to show you that exactly. You can see here where the cable runs from my Starlink down to the roof and dangling off the side of my house. I will leave a link in the description for the kit that I bought and used for this video. Anyway, as you can see, I used a 3/4 inch spade drill bit to create a hole in the siding and through the wall of my home. Once I complete the hole on the outside, I then use a 5/16 inch cobalt drill bit to penetrate all the way through to the inside of the room. The kit I'm showcasing does come with both drill bits used in this video. After finding the hole I made from the outside in the room, I began to do the same thing I did on the outside to make the hole 3/4 inch all the way through. I did use a wall bushing to cover the hole on the exterior of the home to then push the cable through the wall so it sits nice and snug in the hole. You can see as I use my finger to help guide the cable through the wall and insulation. Finally, our cable has made it through the hole we created in the wall. Now it is time to fit it inside the wall bushing with the cable. I also used wall wire clips to secure the cable to the siding to hide the exposed cable. This is the final look. Now, let's run a speed test to make sure we installed it correctly and to see if our equipment is up and running. I was impressed by the speeds I was getting during a thunderstorm with my Starlink out in the country. If you found this video helpful, please let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.